In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new lead in your CRM system. Whether you're new to this process or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident managing your leads with ease. Let's dive right in by navigating your CRM dashboard. You're going to want to head over to the Leads module. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's typically located in the main navigation pane of your CRM platform. Once you get there, you'll see plenty of options, but what you're looking for is the Create Lead button. It's usually prominently displayed, often at the top or to the side, and clicking on this will start a new lead entry. Now that you've got the new lead form open, you'll notice several fields available for you to fill in. The key part here is to pay attention to the required fields. These are often marked in red, so they stand out to capture your attention easily. This typically includes essential information such as name, contact number, and email address. Ensuring these fields are completed is vital because they form the backbone of your lead's profile. After handling the mandatory sections, you'll see there are additional optional fields. While it's tempting to skip these, providing more detailed information can significantly improve your lead management process. Adding details such as company name, job title, and any notes on previous interactions can give you valuable context that aids future communications. This step is all about setting yourself up for success, so take a moment to add any information that could help you or your team down the line. Once you've got all the necessary and preferred details inputted, it's time to save your work. Simply hit the Save button, which will typically be found at the bottom of the form. Upon doing this, your new lead is now successfully created. You should see it immediately appear in your Leads module. This instant feedback is great because it confirms that everything has been done correctly. Integrating these leads into your CRM in an organized manner means you're building a comprehensive database prime for nurturing and converting leads into opportunities. Remember, attention to detail here makes a significant difference in how effectively you can follow up with each lead. Having thoroughly covered the necessary steps to create a lead, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you engage with this process, the more intuitive it becomes. And always remember, keeping your information accurate and up to date within your CRM system not only streamlines your workflow, but also aids immensely in achieving sales success and customer satisfaction. So, go ahead, dive into your CRM, and start building those connections today. Thank you for watching, and happy lead managing.